Before installation, press the feet of the lever arm together so they touch. Verify the spacing between the feet by hanging the lever arm from the stainless steel tube on the inlet valve. Next, position the lever arm so the cross member is directly beneath the flat spot on the main tube, and the feet of the lever point toward the square holes on the main tube. Now, insert one leg of the lever arm into one of the square openings. Ensure the foot of the lever arm is positioned as close as possible to the outer edge of the square opening. Roll the remaining leg over the main tube towards the flat spot and into the square opening on the main tube. To remove the lever arm, roll the foot of the leg over the main tube until it is underneath, with the free leg on the opposite side of the secured leg. Gently detach the remaining lever foot from the main tube.